Duval County students may be out of class, but they can still access mental and physical health services through the Duval County School District. Katrina Taylor is the director of the district's behavioral health services, and Dr. Dana Krisner is a deputy superintendent. Both of them are joining us via Zoom live this morning. Good morning, ladies. Thanks for being with us. We appreciate it.
Good morning.
So, Katrina, if I could start with you, would you please explain the mental health services that are available to local students? Oh, it looks like Katrina's shot may be frozen. Okay, let me continue with you, Dr. Krisner, if I could. So there are certain types of medical services that are available to Duval County students. Would you explain what those are?
Sure, and thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to share these services that are free to our students. We have telehealth services available, not just during the school year, but also available for summer hours.
And what kinds of services then does that provide to students? So is this they fall and they hurt their arm, or is this, yearly checkups?
This is more urgent care. So it would be something that you would go to an urgent care for. We do not provide physicals. We don't provide immunizations. Anything that you would need to see a doctor in person for would not be provided. It would be something like if you woke up and your eye was pink, or your child had a little rash. Urgent care kinds of issues that they can be easily taken care of through teletherapy, and parents can log on right at home or at a summer school site.
And then would you explain then how they access that? And this is all ages, correct?
Right. Any Duval County school student, even kindergartners that have just signed up for school, can access telehealth services through, the easiest way is through the parent portal or the student portal. There's a link right under the notes, but you can also go to the duvalschools.org website, and it's on the front page. You can access it there.
And then this is free? These services?
It is free. They will ask for insurance information, but there will be no copay. If you don't have any insurance at all, it's still free.
All right, Katrina, let me transition back to you as well, since we figured out your shot. It was frozen there for a moment. Now, we just finished talking specifically about urgent care, pink eye is an example, or other things that some students might encounter during the school year. But when it comes to mental health, we know there's been a tremendous need for that. Would you explain the services that Duval County students still have access to, even though they're not in class?
Yes, all of our students still have access through Full Service School, which is a collaborative partnership between United Way of Northeast Florida and the Kids Hope Alliance, and multiple mental health service providers. Parents can refer their students. Students can even self-refer for mental health.
And Dr. Krisner, I don't mean to put you on the spot, but I know that you're probably familiar with this, and I want to make sure that our viewers are familiar with where they can go for mental health services. And Katrina's shot keeps coming in and out. Could you explain a little bit about how to access the mental health services as well, since we are having trouble hearing Katrina?
Sure, and they have in-person supports, and they have teletherapy available during summer. You can access it by going to the United Way of Northeast Florida website, or you can call 211 and they will give you access to it.
And are you familiar at all with the kinds of services that mental health offers?
Yes. So with that, we provide individual counseling as well as group counseling to students. If we have parents that prefer their student receive virtual services or telehealth services, the full service school provider can still meet that need. And as Dr. Krisner stated, our Hazel Health partner can also provide teletherapy services for students as well. So students will have access to individual counseling as well as group counseling if needed.
Ladies, thank you so much for your time this morning. Such important information for parents who might not necessarily think about worst case scenarios, and now they know that there are services there for their child should they need them. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
And I do want to remind our viewers as well, if you would like to give your student the ability to use the virtual mental health and urgent care resources through the district, parents or guardians do have to complete a consent for care form. And you can call your child's school or the district for more information about how to fill that out. We'll be right back.